Hi guys! So, samahan niyo kami today. Pupunta pala kami ng church kasi today is November 24 and it's Sunday. And wala namin na-celebrate ang aking birthday noong 22 kasi nabisi si Linas at nandun siya sa Panevicius at that time. Nagrarakit ang aking banaday para makabayad kami sa aming mga utang. And then after namin nag-church day ay pumunta kami dito sa Acropolis para lang irampa-rampa ko yung aking outfit kasi sayang naman day. Pagkatapos ko nagrampa-rampa doon sa Acropolis Day, ay dinala na ako ni Linas dito sa Chinese restaurant. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga seafood, kaya ito yung lugar na napag-isipan niyang dalhin ako dito. Diba? Ang ganda ko dito. You're here with? Are you together?
I was like, I shouldn't say the name, right? Because my wife will find out. I'm like,
We should remove also your...
yeah, I didn't think of that. So, yeah, they're really, those investigators can really zoom in and put,
Yeah.
yeah, I would be